Hello guys, welcome to Squad Ninja, and in this video we will see what is blogging and what are the benefits of blogging. So what is a blog? A blog is an online diary in which you can write about yourself, your company, and share your knowledge with the world. Actually, the blog word was evolved from personal web log. Personal weblog means a journal in which a person writes about his whole day. Today, blog has become more than a personal diary. It has become very powerful medium to get connected with your customer. Nowadays, small businesses and very large businesses are using blogging as a medium for the overall improvement development of their business. Let's see what is difference between the blog and the website. So many people thought that blog and website are the same, but actually they are not same. Websites are mostly static, while a blog need to be updated regularly. A website may include portfolio, services page, and some other important pages like contact us, about us, and privacy policy, etc. While a blog may include all these important pages like contact, about, and product or services, but a separate page in which you have the list of all your latest blog post. Yes, we will see what is difference between the blog and the website in the next slide. So a blog is also a website, and a website may contain a blog or not. Means it's not the necessary condition that all the websites have the blog part in it. Some websites have only product services pages, and they do not have any blog page. But nowadays all businesses are almost using blog for reaching to the new customers. Let's take an example. Here I'm taking the example of HubSpot.com. HubSpot sell his softwares, CRM softwares, and other products on their website homepage, and their website homepage address is hubspot.com, www.hubspot.com. While on the main page they have a section for the blog, and the address of their blog page is blog.hubspot.com. So whenever they have something new to share with their customers, or they want to share knowledge, and they want to attract new customers on their website and want to increase their sale, they use blog as a medium. Their blog is on the subdomain, while you can also put your blog in the subdirectory like xyz.com/blog. So your blog may be on your subdomain and in your subdirectory also. Now let's take an example of a pure blog in which there is no uh, product or service pages. Like here I'm taking the example of labnol.org, which is a popular tech blog of India's first blogger Amit Agarwal, and the website address is labnol.org, which is the blog, and so we can call it a website and blog because the home page of the blog contains the latest blog post. You can see blog post 1, blog post 2, blog post 3, 4. So on this, in this he put all his blog post on the home page. Now what are the benefits of blogging? The first benefit of the blogging is you can attract new customers on your website, means you can increase the traffic on your website. According to a data, 86% of B2B and 77% B2C companies are using blogging as the medium for to increase the sale of their business. So with the help of blogging, you can increase your sales and earn revenue like HubSpot.org is doing. With the help of blogging, you can also earn revenue with display advertising. from Google AdSense and so many other ad networks like labnol.org is doing. You can also earn money with the help of affiliate marketing like shoutmeloud.com is doing. And what other benefits of blogging? You can collect leads for your business by giving some free ebook or template to the visitors. You can learn digital marketing. When you are going to start your own blog, you will learn a lot of things which you can't learn without practically implementing, which are WordPress, SEO, and email, how to collect emails, how to send emails. There are a lot of things which you can learn by making a blog. Find your dream job by showcasing your blog. When you will make your own blog, you can show that blog as a project in your resume, and that will help to get your first job. You can also become a writer and work as a freelancer. When you will blog, you will learn and the art of writing, which can help you becoming a freelancer, and you can write blog post for the other popular blogs and earn revenue as a freelancer. So these are the benefits of blogging. In the next video, we will see what is the difference between free or paid methods to start a blog, and what actually the difference between wordpress.org and wordpress.com, and what you should opt. So I will meet you in the next video. To get all the videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.